In the grand tapestry of the natural world, few creatures capture our imagination quite like the butterfly. They seem to drift on the very air itself, their wings like tiny stained glass windows catching the light. We see them in our gardens, flitting from one flower to the next, and we might think we know them. But these delicate insects are far more complex and extraordinary than they first appear. They are masters of transformation, possessors of senses beyond our own, and undertake journeys that would challenge even the most seasoned human explorer. Their story is not just one of beauty, but one of astonishing survival, intricate design, and profound purpose in the world they inhabit. To truly understand a butterfly, one must look beyond its fleeting, graceful flight. We must delve into a life filled with incredible change and remarkable adaptations. The life of a butterfly is a story told in 4 distinct chapters, a process known as complete metamorphosis. It is a transformation so profound that the creature at the end bears almost no resemblance to the one at the beginning. It all starts with a tiny, often intricately patterned egg. The female butterfly chooses her location with great care, laying her eggs on a specific host plant that will provide the perfect first meal for her offspring. These eggs can be round, oval, or even ridged. They are a promise of the life to come, a small, vulnerable vessel holding the blueprint for a winged marvel. From this egg hatches the second stage, the larva, which we know as the caterpillar. This creature has only one mission in life: to eat. And eat it does. It chews through leaves, growing at an astonishing rate. As it expands, its skin becomes too tight, and so it must shed it or molt several times. The caterpillar is essentially an eating machine, storing up all the energy it will need for the incredible change that lies ahead. It is a crucial, if often overlooked, part of the butterfly's journey. Without this period of relentless consumption, the transformation that follows would simply not be possible. Once the caterpillar has reached its full size, it enters the third and most mysterious stage, the pupa. The most striking feature of any butterfly is, of course, its wings. They are not just for flight. They are masterpieces of natural art, but their vibrant colors are not always what they seem. The wings are covered in thousands of tiny, overlapping scales arranged like tiles on a roof. Some of these scales contain pigments which absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect others, giving us colors like brown, black, yellow. But the most dazzling colors, blues, greens, violets, are created differently. These scales have microscopic structures that bend and scatter light, creating structural colors that change with viewing angle, creating a shimmering metallic effect. This intricate design serves many purposes. Bright patterns can attract a mate. Males often display the most brilliant colors to catch a female's eye. They can also warn predators, signaling the butterfly is poisonous or tastes foul. For other species, the patterns provide camouflage, allowing the butterfly to blend into tree bark, a fallen leaf, a flower petal. The wing is a complex canvas, painted with pigments and the physics of light. But the wonders do not end with wings. Its senses are just as remarkable. To eat, a butterfly uses a long, straw-like tongue called a proboscis. A butterfly's life is guided by the sun. This celestial body is more than just a source of warmth. It is a compass that guides the butterfly on its daily search for food and on epic journeys across continents. Butterflies have an internal time-compensated sun compass. This means they can track the time of day and adjust their flight path according to the sun's position in the sky. Their large compound eyes, made up of thousands of individual lenses, give them a wide field of view, while their antennae help them sense the direction of the sun, even on cloudy days when it is not directly visible. While our eyes see a rainbow of colors, butterflies can see a range of light that is invisible to us: ultraviolet light. Many flowers have patterns on their petals that are only visible in the ultraviolet spectrum. These patterns, often called nectar guides, act like glowing landing strips, pointing the butterfly directly to the center of the flower where the nectar and the pollen are located. As it travels from flower to flower sipping nectar, its fuzzy body and legs become dusted with pollen. When it lands on the next flower, some of that pollen rubs off, fertilizing the plant and allowing it to produce seeds and fruit. This process, known as pollination, is essential. Butterflies work alongside bees and other insects to sustain our flowering plants, wild meadows, and even our food crops. Some species are incredible long-distance travelers. The most famous of these is the North American monarch butterfly. Each autumn, millions embark on an astonishing migration, traveling up to 3,000 miles from as far north as Canada, all the way down to specific overwintering sites in the forests of central Mexico. This is not a journey undertaken by a single butterfly, but one that spans several generations. The butterflies that leave Mexico in the spring will not be the same ones that return in the autumn. They use a combination of the sun compass and the Earth's magnetic field to navigate to the exact same groves their great-great-grandparents used. How they pass this information down remains one of science's most intriguing mysteries. This incredible feat of endurance and navigation, undertaken by such a seemingly fragile creature, demonstrates a strength and instinct that is difficult to comprehend. It is a powerful reminder of the hidden fortitude within the natural world. Because of its dramatic life cycle, the butterfly has held a special place in human culture and art for thousands of years. Its journey from a crawling caterpillar, through the tomb-like stillness of the chrysalis, to a beautiful winged creature of the air, is a powerful metaphor for transformation, resurrection, and hope. From ancient Greek mythology to modern art and literature, the butterfly symbolizes beauty, freedom, and the transient nature of life.